Oh, 7 against 6. 8 against 6. Ow. Ow. Are you okay? So it's what?
No touching. Crystal ball.
So what is it? 7 against 8. Okay, let's play.
Oof, look at that.
Go. This time we can use 2 hands. That's why we get to use 2 hands.